Hey everyone, this is Sports Media 93 back again with another video. I wanted to talk about the recent tragic news of the deaths of Kobe Bryant and his daughter Gianna and the 7 other people that accompanied him on the helicopter that had crashed on Sunday and that had got caught on fire. Each day new information keeps coming out about the crash and all the people that were involved in it, as well as leaving almost the whole world in shock of the news of when everyone heard of it, the bad news. From multiple celebrities to athletes paid their respects to the late great Kobe Bryant when hearing the news of his death. In a whole crowd of people chanting Kobe in front of the Staples Center in the wake of his death. This is a tough news to hear because we never thought we'd hear about anyone dying, because I know it's hard for multiple people when death is being brought up, but someone as big as Kobe Bryant, I never thought I'd see him being set as dead, especially for the new year as 2020 in January. I know that Kobe was a great inspiration and mentor to a lot of athletes such as Westbrook, James Harden, Devin Booker, and many, many more athletes, showing them the game and influencing them with the Mamba mentality. When it came to my opinion on this was tough to hear because Kobe Bryant, I never thought he would have died. It doesn't even feel real that I'm reporting this right now. When I first heard of the news, it made me think to myself, no way, Kobe can't be dead, there's no way. But the more and more news outlets I read, the reality sank in, and I realized that it was true. And all I could do was mourn and pay respects to him and his 13-year-old daughter, Gianna, and the 7 other people that had died on the helicopter as well. I also think that people also need to pay more respects to the 7 other people that had died alongside with Kobe and his daughter. It's a little disrespectful to leave it out because people that were near them and great to them were also affected by this too. So my condolences go out to them as well. So far we've lost a great NBA player, a great man, and also a great father on Sunday. My condolences go out to everyone that's involved and affected by this situation. I know that Kobe was an inspiration to a lot of people and also hated by a lot of people as well, but that didn't let people stop him from being great and achieving his goals in the end. To end this video off, I wanted to show my favorite plays from Kobe Bryant from his 20-year in the NBA career as a tribute video to the end. Again, this is a sad day in the sports world right now for Kobe Bryant being dead in a helicopter. This is Sports Media 93 signing off. Peace.